Hello my friend, and welcome to this unbiased 5 best ways to make money from home video. You're consuming this content because you are interested in the best possible options to make money from the comfort of your home. Whether your goal is to make a few $100s per month to help relieve some financial stress during these crazy times, or if you want to build a 6-figure business, all of it is possible. But, if you're anything like I was when I started looking to create income from home, you may feel a bit confused, overwhelmed, and have no clue where to start. Trust me my friend, you are not alone. There's a lot of garbage to sift through out there, but yes, it is definitely possible to make good money from home through legitimate, honest work. With this quick video, you can choose the best option for you, and start earning money from home this week. Or even within the next 24 hours. When it comes to creating a real income from home, and taking back your financial freedom, the hardest part is knowing where to start. In this video, I'm going to give you the proven and legitimate ways to create cash from home, including where and how to get started right now. Here's what you're about to find out. How to get actual cash in your hand within the next 24 hours. The fastest way to finally get paid what you're worth, for doing what you do best. How to grab a piece of a $4.9 trillion pie, and create a full-time income, starting with less than $100. How to ethically leverage hundreds, or even thousands, of other people's time and effort, and create a lifestyle that most only dream about. A sneaky way to get paid from the work that someone else has already done for you, without touching any products. Option 5. Sell your stuff. If you need money immediately, there's a time-tested strategy that's worked for ages. It's called cleaning out your home and selling the stuff you don't want, don't need, or don't use. We've all been there, where we need money in a crunch. But now instead of dragging everything out of your garage, and going out and painting the town with your yard sale signs, you can simply post your items online. You can list your stuff for sale locally for pickup or drop off on sites like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, Letgo and more. Or you can ship items on Amazon Marketplace, eBay, Bonanza and plenty of others. While the next 4 strategies will give you ways to earn bigger amounts of money from home, selling your stuff is one of the fastest and easiest ways to get quick cash in your hand right now. Bonus tip. Use stories in your listings. You can make any product more interesting by adding a story that pulls people in, and gets them emotionally involved in the product. In fact, in 2006, New York Times Magazine journalist Rob Walker proved it when he set out to show how powerful emotional stories are for selling even the most mundane items. The results were that he took 200 very insignificant thrift items, with an average cost of $1.25, and resold them at a 6,395% increase, using stories. In other words, he spent $197 and sold them for $8,000. Use stories to sell your stuff, and you'll likely get paid more for each item. The pros and cons of selling your stuff. Pros. You could get cash extremely fast. You get rid of clutter in your home. 0 technical experience required. Cons. You either have to ship the product yourself, meet your customers in a parking lot, or give them your home address to pick up the goods, which is not recommended nor ideal. You only have so much stuff in your house to sell. This is not a long-term sustainable option. Option number 4. Provide a service, freelancing, and virtual assistant. Chances are you already have a skill that others will pay you for. There is something you do well that they don't. There is probably something you enjoy doing that others simply don't have time to do themselves. More and more businesses and entrepreneurs are hiring freelancers and virtual assistants these days than ever before. It's much easier, and requires less overhead than hiring full-time employees. Here are just a few of the things you can get paid to do. Customer support, technical support, web design, blogging, graphic design, video editing, proofreading, web development, virtual assistants, and internet marketing. And if you need money quickly, you can be performing one of these services within the next week for a client who will pay you for your skills. It's easier than ever to get started. Sites like Fiverr, Upwork, TopTal, and Simply Hired are great places to start. The pros and cons of option 4. Pros. You get paid to do what you're good at or love doing. You can get started quickly. You get to work from home. Create your own hours around your schedule. Quickly increase your fees as you build your reputation. Cons. It takes time to build your reputation. You'll have to deal with some difficult clients. There are strict deadlines. You'll be hustling for gigs. You're trading your time for money. Option 3. Start an e-commerce store, like Shopify or Amazon. In case you haven't noticed, e-commerce is massive around the entire world. And the stats speak for themselves. Anybody can create an e-commerce store, and therefore the playing field has been leveled. The good thing is, you only need a tiny share of the market to earn a part-time, or even a massive full-time income. Here are the 5 simple steps you need to take. Step 1. Find a hungry market to sell to. The secret is starting with finding a hungry market, and figuring out what they're buying. Good examples of a hungry market are health, weight loss, and skincare, just to name a few. Step 2. Choose the products you're going to sell. What are the items these markets are already spending money on now? You don't even have to create your own products. The fastest way to get started is with a strategy called dropshipping. This means you don't have to stock your garage full of products. You simply order the products that people buy from the manufacturer and they ship it directly to your customer. Step 3. Find a platform to sell your products on. It's easier than ever to set up your e-commerce store online. There are also tons of platforms that make it possible for anyone to create their own e-commerce store with simple drag and drop features. Shopify and Wix are just 2 examples of such platforms. Shopify will give you the tools you need to get started fast, including your storefront, with professional themes, a professional shopping cart to process orders, your store manager, to handle all communication and data collection of customers, inventory management, web hosting, SEO and marketing tools, analytics, and even 24/7 support. Step 4. Get your domain name. Your domain name is how people will find you online. Once you figure out what you'll name your website, you can go to a domain provider like GoDaddy and purchase your domain name in just a few quick and easy steps. Step 5. Promote your store. You need to get eyeballs to your store and product pages. You can do this with methods like search engine optimization, paid ads, or even free social media marketing. Check out the links in the description of this video if you need help promoting your store. The pros and cons of starting an e-commerce store. Pros. You can start for less than $100. No experience necessary. You learn as you go along. You can sell to a worldwide market. You can sell day and night. And you can run your store from the comfort of your home. Cons. Competition is fierce. There is a steep learning curve to marketing your products. You have to deal with unhappy customers. Shipping. If you don't use dropshipping, there are potentially low profits on purchases. Option 2. Network marketing. Network marketing, also known as MLM or multi-level marketing, is a proven business model that harnesses the power of person-to-person marketing and sales. Here's how it works. Instead of a company relying on mass advertising or conventional retail strategies to get people to buy their products or services, network marketing companies make use of distributors or reps to market and sell their products. And for doing so, the company pays the distributor a commission when a sale is made. Pros and cons of network marketing. Pros. There is a low to moderate startup cost. You'll have a sponsor to support you. You'll get personal training. You'll get to work your own hours from home. Your profits become bigger as your business grows. Cons. Competition with other distributors. There is a marketing learning curve. Network marketing companies often teach you the wrong way to market your business. Sponsors often disappear once you join. Option number 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a strategy where you get paid a commission for selling other people's products. This is one of the easiest ways to get started earning online because you don't have to create your own products, or even have a website. This is why affiliate marketing is my #1 recommended way of making money online. You can sell virtually anything as an affiliate, including information products like ebooks, courses and workshops, physical products and software programs. The options are endless. Affiliate marketing can become a very lucrative way to make money from home. You can earn hundreds to thousands of dollars per month, all the way to super affiliate status where you're earning tens of thousands to even hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. Pros and cons of affiliate marketing. Pros: low or even zero startup cost. You don't need any experience as you can learn as you go along. You can sell to a worldwide market. This is a 24/7 operation, so you can make money while you sleep. There is potential for huge income, especially if you do high-ticket sales. Cons: there is massive competition. You don't own your customer base unless you create sales funnels. Not knowing which strategy to start with. And there is an internet marketing learning curve. My #1 recommendation to make money from home is affiliate marketing. We give you all the tools you need to get results and be successful in this field. This includes training and a coach. Click the first link in the description below and let me know in the comments what your preferred method is. Also, like this video if you found value in it and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.